Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, the Catholic Church in the United States celebrates Catholic Schools Week. And throughout this week, we're asked to celebrate the great gift that is Catholic education and to pray for its continued success. Our Catholic schools are a great blessing for our young people, just as they were a blessing for so many of us as we grew up. They educated not only our minds, but they educated our hearts and our souls as well. Our Catholic schools teach us not only to be intelligent human beings, but also to be loving and caring and spiritual human beings. And so at the beginning of Catholic Schools Week, we offer this prayer. God of love and mercy, we know that you are always with us. May we always carry the light of Christ in our hearts, in our minds, and in our actions. And may our schools continue to be places where we work as a community to help live the gospel message, to love one another as you have loved us. Amen. Thank you for watching and have a great Monday.